Hi, I'm Derek with the Encore Academic Society, and today I'll be teaching you about cells. They're made of organelles. There are two main categories of cells. The first category is prokaryote. These do not contain nuclei. Eukaryotes, however, do. You can see the nucleus here, which is how you know that this plant cell is a eukaryote. The nucleus takes DNA and transmits it into RNA to send to the other organelles of the cell. Some of those organelles include the vacuole, which contains liquid and waste for the cell. There's also things such as the chloroplast, which is where photosynthesis happens in a plant cell, and it's also what gives it the cell's green color. You can see this gel type stuff, which is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is what keeps all the organelles in place so they don't get all shook up. And this is the cell membrane. As you can see here, it surrounds the entire cell. That is what keeps things from going inside and outside of the cell. It chooses what can go in order to prevent disease. This is the cell wall. It's a rigid structure that surrounds the entire cell membrane. It is what gives plants their hard structure and what makes them keep their shape. This cell, the animal cell, is also a eukaryote, as seen here by the nucleus in the middle. Now, the nucleus is not the only thing that the animal cell has in common with the plant cell. You also have the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is kind of like a passageway for all of the ribosomes, seen here. They're small, however they are very important to cells because they are what digests the proteins inside of the cells. This is the prokaryote cell. You can tell it's a prokaryote because of the lack of the nucleus. But instead of a nucleus, it has the nucleoid region. Very similar function to the nucleus. It also has the cytoplasm, the gel thing that keeps everything from getting all shaken up. Along with that, it has the cell wall and the cell membrane. Now, on the very outer shell is a capsule. Very similar to a cell wall, only like an additional cell wall. Off the capsule are these pili, little hair-like structures. These hair-like structures are the easiest way to identify a prokaryote cell from the eukaryote cells on the outside. Thank you for supporting Encore Academic Society, and make sure to keep an eye out for all of our new videos.